Hey guys, this is Chumley 105 here. Today we're going to be building some trails. Just going to give you the walkthrough of what we're going to do here. I'm going to go get the saw, and what we're going to do is clear some brush. Alright guys, we got our saw here, getting ready, already oiled up, gassed up. Just pretty much just got to hit the woods now, so let's get going. Here in the road. Some metal. Looks like somebody's tire. Ooh.
Oh God, there goes the saw.
You know, it's amazing that I still have a chainsaw. Oh well. You know, this tree right here needs cut up since we're here, so let's just go ahead and do that. Won't take long. This way. We got a lot to cut here. You can see I've started on this probably about a year ago and never did finish it all the way through. So I've got a lot that I need to recut and move out of the way. Made a little progress. This really needs to be picked up right now. I'm gonna try to come up with a name for this trail. Give me a comment for some suggestions on the trail name. We got a bunch of cedar trees around, so maybe call it Cedar Lane or Cedar Trail. Just give me some suggestions in the comments if you don't mind. Right now, I don't know how much farther this thing goes. It takes a pretty good long while to get to the place we're actually going, I believe. Probably gonna make a few side trails up here, maybe down here as well, and it just keeps on going. So it's gonna be a little bit before we get this one completed, but if I keep working on it, it should be soon. Well, I'm going to pick up a little bit, and then I guess we're going to go on back to the house. It's going to be dark before long. Gives us enough time to get home and put everything up, and maybe we'll get into some stuff later. This is kind of cool, I guess. Yeah, that's cool. Do a little more exploring, maybe. See if we can spin our tires. Nope. Well, it looks like we're kind of stuck at this point here. Kind of loud. Oopsie daisy. Picture for the thumbnail. speedy. We're gonna go visit our friend Mikey. Not really sure where his driveway is, so I'm gonna ride down the median for a bit. I think it's about right here.
Do it for YouTube!
Welcome back, Michael, everybody.
Oh, oh no. You're shooting a cellular call.
Oh
Hold on.
no. Been a day or two since you've seen this bad boy here. What has it been, since January?
I don't know. Alright, here we go. Doing it today. Doing it for dinner.
Look at the sweet gator. Gatorade.
So today we're going to be, what are we doing? We're going to be removing the carburetor from this 400EX and inspecting it for debris and possibly removing some debris.
Technical school pros.
So I cleaned the carb and everything's fine now. There was nothing else simple wrong with it, I assure you.
That's
She runs like a beaut. I
no.
assure you there's nothing else wrong.
What he isn't telling you is we didn't do any of that. And the reason why it wasn't running was...
The spark plug cap wasn't on.
Ding, 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 ding. Disconnected. All right, guys. So we're finished up here tonight. Looking good. We got brakes on it now. Chains tightened. I don't know why Mikey's standing on his four-wheeler, but...
Yeah.
So Sunday is ride day. Possibly tomorrow we'll be doing a short ride, but Sunday is for sure the day we're actually going riding. So tune in here in a little bit for that video.
Man.
All right, guys. Well, this is signing out here. Say goodbye, Michael.
Always remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.
Good job.